time management. How we utilize our time, or how we manage our time. In fact, so many people write so many books on time management. So before the starting conversation, I would like to ask you one small question: which currency is the most expensive in the world? Which currency is the most important in the world? It is dollar, pound, is Chris. We all get 16 hours in a week. Like how Brittany has an Aniatata gorilla. They also get 16 hours in a week, and we also get 6 days hours in a week. So how we utilize our time and how they utilize their time. The difference is that they utilize their time in a proper way, proportional. So we also get the thing that we also utilize our time in proper way and proportion. For our success, let me ask you one question again. Which thing is very important in our life? Schedule or good? Which thing is very important in our life? Schedule or goal? Let me share with you. And sugar is the very important thing in our life.